Good afternoon, everyone. I am Sonali Shirsat in SVKT College, Devali Camp. My subject is the physics, and I studied today's lecture is the applications of electromagnetic field or applications of X-ray, CT scan, and solar cell. We have already studied in previous lectures for the microwave oven, radar, and pyroelectric thermometer. We know the microwave oven, radar, and pyroelectric thermometer and its application and its uses, its principles we have already studied in previous lecture. We have studied in today's lecture is the X-ray radiography, second is the computer tomography, and third is the solar cell and its types. Next is the learning objective is the X-ray, radiography, computer tomography and solar cell and its the types. First is the X-ray radiography. We know the X-ray radiography. X-ray radiography is the involves the use of invisible, highly penetrating, short wavelength electromagnetic radiation to non-destructively to obtain an images of hidden details. We know the X-ray. X-ray is the imaging from the damaging or diseases in our body or capturing the images for the only one images is capturing for your in objects or your body is the capturing or detect the defects on that the objects or your body. We know that the X-ray is only given to our bodies for the diseases or damages. Next is the uses of X-ray radiography is the dentist to detect diseases of the teeth. Next uses for the X-ray is the doctors are used rays to X-rays, located bullets and other foreign objects within the body to guide them in setting broken bones. Custom officers and airport security personal uses X-ray in examining luggages and packages to check for weapons and smuggler articles. This is the diagram for the X-ray. Means the X-ray, what is type of X-ray is given out our bodies is the first of all this is the diagram and this is the glass tube for the anode and cathode. Then this is the electrodes for the cathode sides and glass tube. Then this is the windows, oil, lead casing, then metal shielding and films. Films means the our body parts the X-ray is capturing the images. Then anode and cathode. Cathode is emitting the electron particles and incident the anodes, and this anode is emitting the light. It means light means the X-ray, and then this X-ray incident in our body and reflecting to the back and images is formed, and the X-ray or in X-ray instrument is used by the only one images in our body. Next point is the computer tomography. Computer tomography means the CT scan. We know the CT scan in daily life or in a medical field or research field. Then CT scan is a very important in our life or in our medical field. The CT scan is a medical imaging techniques which uses computer process X-rays to produce tomographic images or silence or specific areas of the body. Tomography is the only images for the smallest section or section. Imagine for the section in our body. Then this is the diagram for the CT scan. CT scan is the multiple images in capturing in our body parts. Then CT scan is uses by the head, lungs, cardiac. We know the CT scan is the images for the smallest particle or is the capturing the images for the diseases in our body. This is the diagram for the CT scan. CT scan is the rays for the that type of the X-rays, but in X-rays only one images is formed out, but CT scan is the multiple images is formed out, and then this radiation incident on our bodies or these small sections and capturing the images and detecting these images. And these images we have to know that the what diseases in that our body. Then next type is the solar cell. Solar cells are devices that convert an optical input into currents. Then we know the solar cell. Solar cell is the solar energy is converted to the electric energy. Material used for solar cells are silicon, germanium arsenide, indium arsenide and cadmium arsenide. The mostly used in solar cells for the gallium arsenide or silicon in that solar cells or solar panels. This is the diagram for the solar cells. This is the N-type semiconductor material, P-N junction, and next is the P-type semiconductor material. This semiconductor materials is the generating the electricity for absorbing the sun rays. Sun rays is incident on that panels or these materials and absorbing these materials and converting the electricity in our daily routine life or daily routine uses. The types of solar cells is the first type is the solar cell is the amorphous silicon solar cell in ASI is the amorphous and silicon. Second type is the biohybrid solar cell. Third type is the buried contact solar cell. Fourth type is the cadmium telluride solar cell. Next is the copper, indium, gallium arsenide solar cell, and these types of the solar cell we have to use that material in a different types of. Then these types of solar cells. Dye-sensitized solar cells, gallium arsenide solar cell. Next is the hybrid solar cells. Next is the micromorph cells, and next is the monocrystalline solar cell. Next is the multi-junction solar cell. Then uses of the solar cells. We know the uses of the solar energy, solar cells. We have daily routine life for the solar energy, and solar energy is converted to the electric energy. First uses is the power plant. You know the power plant. I mean in power plant the solar energy or solar panel we have to taken, and then the solar panel generating the electricity, and we have to use in our homes, industries, in our homes or daily routine life in electricity. We have to given that the solar systems. Next is the homes. Next is the commercial uses. Next is the ventilation system. Next uses is the power pump. Next is the swimming pools. Next is the solar lighting in our home, roads, whatever or etc. Solar cars or solar vehicles. Next uses is the remote applications. Next is the assignment. First question is the what is X-ray radiography? State its application. We know the X-ray radiography. X-ray radiography is the capturing the images on our body and detect the fault in our bodies. Means your break is bones is the break, and the X-ray is given out and detect the bone break. Where is the bone break? Next and its applications. This question is given out 3 or 4 marks. Next question is the what is CT scan? State its application. We know that the CT scan is the CT scan or a computer tomography. This scanning is formed by the computer basis, and this is the scanning for the in our small section in our bodies, and the images is formed out for the multiple images or multiple images is formed out. And state its applications is the CT scan is the so many applications. For example, say you given out the CT scan for your head, lungs, heart, say in a cardiogram, say hand, say or ligaments or nerves. We have to given out the CT scan in our body, smallest body parts, and detect the small default in our bodies. Next question is the what is solar cell? Explain its working. Solar cell is the solar energy is converted to the converted to the electric energy. And solar energy is so many applications, or so many applications. First is the photosynthesis. We know the photosynthesis is the most applicable for the application for the solar's energy. Solar energy is converted to the photosynthesis process and is the food for the plants. Then we human is used in a solar energy for the solar cell. Solar cell is converted to the electric energy for the N-type semiconductor material or a P-type semiconductor material or panel system. And then this panel absorb the solar energy and converting the solar energy to the electric energy, and this energy we have to stored in the batteries or then used after some times. Next, explain its working. Next is the summary. We have studied today's lecture is the X-ray radiography, computer tomography or CT scan, and next is the solar cell and its types. We will study next lecture is the electrodynamics is the TY subject for the electrodynamics, and in electrodynamics for the electron we have to study in electrodynamics for the electrons, and its electrons for the electrostatic is the first chapter, and in electrostatics chapter we have to study the Coulomb's law, its charges or its electric field or magnetic field in generated for the electrons. And thank you.